Hey guys, it's Channing. Today we're diving into a collaboration with Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions. They provide 100% Remy hair, no synthetics here. Each piece is top tier quality, fit for a queen. They've sent us over some goodies, a detangling comb, extra clips, and a styling clip. Plus their brochure, which covers everything from washing tips to the return policy. Now the big reveal. We have 12-inch kinky curly clip-ins. I just keep going shorter and shorter. And now I'm just taking the hair out so you guys can get a closer view of it. This is the texture prior to its first wash. I had to shampoo this hair about 4 or 5 times because my water was still very filthy. I'm not sure if it's because of where they receive the hair or the process the hair actually goes through prior to you receiving it, but just make sure that you wash any hair that you receive prior to installing and wash it very well. I've got both sets of Kinky curly clip-ins, one with product and the other without. One set is defined with water and mousse, giving a nice texture and definition. The other set is au naturel, no product at all, showing off its natural texture. Which do you prefer? Okay, time to get sassy and switch up my part today. Yeah, I'm going for a side part. I think we've been going strong with our middle part, so now we can try something new. We've done it before, we have our favorites. You know how it goes. So I'm leaving out the perimeter of my hair and I'm gonna place this into a ponytail. I'm styling it a bit different because I refuse to sit and actually braid my hair. It's a lot shorter these days. So once I leave out the hair in order to accommodate the part that I'll have on the side, I'm gonna leave out all the hair around my perimeter. I'll conjoin this ponytail with the last and we'll move on to the next step. Keep your fingers crossed that this style turns out the way I want it to. We're gonna go over our clips. Our clip-ins with 4, we have 2 of those. Our clip-ins with 1, we have 2 of those. Our clip-ins with 2, we have 6 of those. And our clip-ins with 3, we have 4 of those. And let's begin styling. I'm going to begin by adding a clip that has 2 in the nape of my neck. I'm going to place a 3 above that. Took me a while to get used to that because I'm not used to having a ponytail in the back of my head when I do my clip-ins. We have a 3. I'm just going to kind of test it out around some areas because I know I only have 4 of those. I'm going to replace that with a 4. I'm looking at all the space that I have. I'm really afraid because I only have 14 clips and they're all pretty small in my opinion. I have 3 that I'm going to place right here on the side. I have to say these are probably the most secure clips I have ever used, ever. I would never worry about these falling out. I'm going to take a 2 and place it down right here. I had to move it around a bit just to make sure it was comfortable and not uncomfortable because they were so tight. This is a 4. This is a 2. So the company says that one set of these clip-ins is perfect for a natural look, but if you want the extra volume and the extra length, you'll definitely use 2 sets. I don't know that I would ever just do one set of these clip-ins. Yeah, I can't say I agree with that. I put the 3 around my leave out. Just to ensure that I would have that taken care of already. Do that from time to time. And as you guys can see, it didn't bulk up or anything, it just laid flat. That's how secure these clip-ins are. I'm using another 3. And I can tell I began to kind of space them out a bit. Still kind of packing them in on that side. That was a 2. And I have another 2. And I put my last 2 over on this side. Because I had the last 2 ones that I could use over here. Before we move on to the next step, I just wanted to quickly mention that these Kinky Curly clip-ins are available in different sizes, so be sure to check out the details in the description box below if you're interested. Right now, I'm just parting my hair off so I can begin the process of blending my hair with the clip-ins. So let's talk about the texture of these Kinky Curly clip-ins. They have a unique S-curl shape pattern. It's a bit tighter than the regular curly hair, but looser than Afro Kinky curls. So if you have 3B or 3C hair, these curls will blend beautifully with your natural texture. So right now I'm removing the first clip that I'm gonna place it up here in this hole that I was unaware of in the top of my head. This is really going to bring my look together. It was like the missing puzzle piece. The final step is to style the hair. And styling the hair is really just defining the curls. So what I'll be doing now is applying my favorite mousse Def by The Dew. I'll be using lots of water for hydration, and I'll also be using my unbrush and my Demon brush to define my curls. One of my favorite styling hacks for my curly hair is to use a Demon brush to scrunch my curls while they're still damp. This helps to enhance definition and add volume. One of the things I love about these Kinky Curly clip-ins is the quality. The hair is super soft and looks really natural. In case you're wondering why I'm brushing through my hair so much and applying so much water, you have to remember that when you're applying products to your curls, you want to make sure that you're distributing them evenly throughout your hair. That's how you get the best look. That is how you get the best curl definition, and it really enhances the look as a whole. Because just imagine having beautiful defined curls in the front, and in the back your hair looks really dry. Remember the way that the hair looked in the very beginning of the video. It is possible for you to have hair that looks very curly and very defined, and then have the natural curl just showing through. So I wanted to make sure that I went through and I really took my time defining each curl, defining each section. The definition. Oh my. Just watch, in the end, this hair could really pass as my own. Right now I'm plopping my hair with a t-shirt to get rid of some of the excess moisture and to set my curls. And we're done. This hair is so beautiful. And didn't I tell you it would look like my own? You cannot tell me this is not my hair. This is the look that I was going for. I actually wanted a bob, like a curly bob. I knew that I wanted it to be bob length, like a short bob, but just be curly and something that would look realistic. Looks like something that I didn't even have to put in clip-ins for. So thank you guys so much. Be sure to check out Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions and check my description box for all info. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.